I found loads of bargains on eBay lately. I'm bit of like I'm on a eBay hunting bargains queen situation at the minute. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well and safe. Today we're going to be playing, let me zoom out a tiny bit more. We're going to be playing with some dice I have bought not long ago. I've done a whole video. They are Tim Holtz pockets dice because excuse me guys, we finished one side of my accordion journal. So look how chunky this journal is. Really quickly. I will do a proper full-on video, like page by page, but on that video you need to grab a proper cup of coffee because that video is going to be very long. So that's the front, that's the back, and that's the beginning of the reverse side. So far I've done that, and then oops, because this should be because it's so full of things. So we're going to decorate those 2 pages here. I don't know why I'm zooming in so much. That's it. Sorted. Let me move the camera. That's it. Sorry about this, guys. So I thought we made the 2 inches and inches, which they're all in here, and I want them to be part of the journal. And not all of them, but some of them will. So I thought I need some little tiny envelopes, and then I was going through my bits, and then I thought, oh, I've not used them yet. So let me show you the dice first. This is not from Tim Holtz, that's from another brand. So I thought, I don't know about you guys, but I don't shop by brand. I just see things and I thought, oh yeah, I want it. I don't really, not because it's Tim Holtz, I need to have it, or it's because it's Stampin' Up, or it's because it's whatever the brand is. I just buy what I think I will enjoy. So I thought we're doing a little envelopes in here, and a little pockets section in here and one in there. So this is one which you get this bit here and an element there. So you could simply die cut what I've done in here. For instance, this element here, and I have used, this is the Ideology, is an 8x8 paper pad. I don't know what I've done with the front, but I love this paper pad. So let me put this in there so don't get mixed up. So those die I was saying, so you die cut the base, and then you get the 2 tabs on each side, which they will fold, and one on the bottom, so will fold, will create your actual pockets. And also you get the element on top, which is this one, which again you can die cut several times and use that on top of that as a decoration. Now, because this paper is a lot of detail, there is a stamp I don't want to lose, and I die cut on purpose. I die cut, place the die there because I want that to be shown. So I'm not going to use this element, but that you get the gist. And then the dies number 2 is this one here, which you get this section here with the stitching around, and then the one on top. And again, what I've done, because I use this paper, I have die cut that, so you get this little shape, which you can use that to put your elements. I mean, they will be completely covered, and I'll show you in just a second, so you won't see all these little strips in there, but you will definitely see the bottom, which again, I don't want to cover it with this one. What I might do, I use that as a belly band or just as a decoration there. We will see. And that's the remaining of the page. So I will probably use that in another project. In fact, let me just cut them now so you don't go to the bin. So that we will definitely reuse it. Not sure about that bit, can go in the bin. I will definitely use this element here. Chop, and that goes in there. Right, let's assemble the pockets together. So this one here, I'm just hoping it's not going to be, I got a smaller version of this, but I'm sure, oh, it's just perfect. So you need to bear with me because I need to concentrate. you put these double side tape all around the pocket. And the good things about this, you can die cut maybe a plain cardstock, and then just do your layering with what you want. But when I saw this, when I first saw these dies, I thought, it's a bit of a waste. But then I thought, actually, it's not, because otherwise you just need to get try a rectangular piece of cardstock, and then you physically have to cut this rectangular one. There is a die, you just put it through once, and you get basically all the shape. Oh God, I got the window open, and this wind is blowing. It's very sunny, but it's very windy. So if you hear something dodgy on the background, it's the wind. So come on, you can do this. Fabulous. There. And the last there. And then what we simply do, we're going to position that. In fact, I can probably fit two. Can I fit two? Oh yeah, let's go for two. So I'm going to do one off camera, because otherwise it's just a bit boring. So you just simply put that there, and then we're going to put the inches and twinches in the little pockets there. Then we're going to have the one with the flowers. In fact, no, because having something 3D might not help. Definitely that one in the little pocket there. But you can make like tags. Sorry, I just don't want to get my head on camera, but you get the gist. Yeah, because there's a lot of elements that are popping out. And then we put this on top, and then you get your little little stash in there. And now we're going to do this. Now on here, yes, you need to fold these score lines there. I don't know if you can see, I can barely see myself, but that's them. It's not very straight. Oh yeah, straight. So again, these sort of dies, they do the job for you, because you just need to follow the score line. Again, I'm not going to put any links, so you can find them, depends what country you're in, either Amazon or any craft retailers or eBay. Sometimes you'll find those sort of dies on eBay, like second hands, because maybe people want to get rid of them, or they don't like them anymore, or simply they're trying to get some cash. I found loads of bargains on eBay lately. I'm a bit of like I'm on an eBay hunting bargains queen situation at the minute. I've got quite a lot of Stampin' Up bargains, which I'm very pleased about, but also placed a full price order as well. It's payday, so I got paid last week, so I thought I'd treat myself. So what I tend to do when I get paid, first thing, I treat myself, and then I start paying for all the bills, the mortgage and all that. If not, guys, you're not going to end up paying yourself and not rewarding yourself. So I know I'm probably off camera, you probably won't even notice what I'm doing, but you get the gist. You just simply put double side tape in there, and then we will attach this on here. I don't think I will get two of those. No, so we're probably going to put one just in the middle of the page. Okay, and then what I need, a little, that's it. Now, because you know that my camera shakes, so I'm trying to lift my journal so you don't get the effect like you are on the boat. Yeah, I probably should have put some double side tape there, because if you do there, you just close this pocket, or there, so you just close that pocket, but it's a bit too late. So, and I'm going to put in fact I might just leave it like that, so the flower is on 3D. Oh, I love that. In fact, might put the other flower there, that in there. What else can we put? Oh, the wax seal there. So the person that will get this journal, you will get some of these inches and twinches. And then put that there, put that there. Something on the back here. That's it. How cute are those little pockets? So I'm going to do one there and I'll be right back. Okay guys, done. What do you guys think? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So it just added a lot of details onto a page. As you can see, they're very, very simple. Right, question, would I recommend them? Yes, definitely yes. Are they good value for money? Maybe not. I mean, it's a C6 quality, so we trust that this die is gonna last me a lifetime. But again, they're quite pricey. But overall, I'm very, very pleased. If you guys got these dies, please share any project that you make on my Facebook group. Again, you find in there all sorts of resources. I share projects. Other amazing crafting people show them projects there, freebies every Friday. So lots of really interactive community. So I really appreciate if you guys join us over there as well. I just put 2 little tags there as a decoration, forgot to say. Right guys, that's it for today. Super quickie, simple as well. Right guys, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching as usual, and until next time, stay safe and well.